Hi everybody. Let's start today's class with chapter Some Application of Trigonometry exercise 9.1 part 2. In part 2 I will explain you from question number 6. Now question number 6, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. From the distance he walked towards the building. One thing you listen. First, the height of the boy has given, and 30 meter is the distance from the building to the boy is 30 meter tall, standing on the distance from a 30 meter tall building. Building is a 30 meter tall. Another thing, two angles has given. The nearer angle always be greater, and further angle it must be the smaller angle. Understood it? Nearer one is greater angle and the further one is smaller angle. Now, in solution here, in this solution, first see the figure. It is DG be the building of height 30 meter, and AE is the height of the boy. AE is equal to BF is equal to AFG. These three distances are parallel and they are the same distance. It is 1.5. Now you have to consider a triangle. This one a right angle triangle and another one is DAC is another right angle triangle. One by one, take a right angle triangle and solve there. Now first consider the distance as the boy is walking towards the building. Okay, this boy is walking towards the building. So he walks x kilometer. And the angle of elevation change from 30 degree to 60 degree. Building to that boy, now their distance is y meter. If I take as that, so it is, let A and B the position of the eye. DC is equal to DC, this much is 30 minus 1.5, it is 28.5 meter. Now angles, all the angles is 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Let the boy walked E to F. E to F, EF is x meter and GFG is equal, BC is equal to y meter. This one. Okay. That is y meter. Now in two triangle I have taken separately. In triangle DCB, one right angle triangle here. It is DC upon BC is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degrees value is root 3 and perpendicular and base 28.5 upon y. Now here if you cross multiply it is root 3y is equal to 28.5. Okay, so y is equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Now rationalize it. 28.5 root 3 upon 3 cancel, it is 9.5 root 3. It is the value of y. Okay, value of y is BC. Now another right angle triangle DAC. This one DCA. DC upon AC is equal perpendicular upon base is tan 30 degree. It is tan 30 degree. So it is 28.5 upon x plus y. This total distance is equal to tan 30 degrees 1 upon root 3. So x plus y is equal to 28.5 into root 3. So substitute the value of y from where it is y. Y we get x plus 9.5 root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3. Now x is equal 19 root 3. So hence the distance worked by the boy towards the building is 19 root 3 meter. Now question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 40 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Now here you see it is the 20-meter tall building. On the top of the building there is a transmission tower whose height is h meter. One person is observing from point P. So okay. So he is observing the bottom and top of the transmission tower. It is the bottom of the transmission tower and it is the top of the transmission tower. Now check it. ABB the transmission tower of height h fixed on the top of the building BC. Building is BC. Of height 20 meter. P is a point on the ground such that PC is equal to x meter. When first point, you have to draw the correct figure for the description of the question. First thing. Second, the measurement you have to write what measurement has given. And third is where is the observer and what he is observing. So object and observer, these 2 points should be fixed, should be correctly you have to point out. So it is such that PC is equal to x meter. It is x meter and angle APC is 60 degree and BPC is equal to 45 degree. Okay, angle C is 90 degree. Now see the figure, see the calculation here. In PCB, in this triangle, it is perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 45 degree. That I have done. Perpendicular upon base equal tan 45 degree. 20 upon x is equal to tan 45 degree is 1. So x is equal to 20 meter. Ax means the distance of the point from the base of the building. Now in triangle APC or ACP, it's okay. In this triangle 20 plus h upon x is equal to tan 60 degree. It is 60 degree. So it is root 3. Now 20 plus h, you substitute the value of here we have got here value of x. Substitute the value of x. So it is 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus h. H is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1. So height of the tower is 20 into root 3 minus 1. Got it? Now next question, question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall standing on a top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. See the figure. Okay. Now it is a BC is the pedestal. So okay, a statue 1.6 meter tall. It is 1.6 meter tall statue is standing on the pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the angle of elevation of the top of the statue, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. It is the top of the pedestal and point A is the top of the statue. Now two triangle we have, right angle triangle, one is BCD and another right angle triangle ACD. Now one by one, in triangle BCD, BC upon CD is equal to tan 45 degree. Okay. So it is BC is h upon x is equal to 1. Tan 45 degree is 1. So h is equal to x. First relation. Next is in triangle ACD. AC upon DC is equal to perpendicular upon a base is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree root 3, and AC and DC's value you put here. It is coming h plus 1.6 is equal to x root 3. Now substitute the value of x. It is h. You substitute the value at instead of x write h. So it is 1.6 is equal to h should be that side, and it is common h into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. Now it is h is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Now it is a rationalize root 3 minus 1 and root 3 minus 1. You multiply. Now next point arrow sign see, then next calculation I have done here. A square minus b square, it is 3 minus 1 is 2. It is 2. So it is 0.8 root 3 plus 1. Okay. So it is the height of the pedestal. Got it? Next question is question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Top of the building, it is the building top. AB is the building, and from the foot of the tower, this is the tower CD. Okay, is 30 degree. Top of the building to foot of the tower is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Okay, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, it is the foot of the building, from here top of the tower this point is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Okay, let the height of the building be h. First you have to write the description of his. AB be the building of height h meter and CD be the tower of height 50 meter, and let BD is equal to x meter. It is x meter. Now we have to, in triangle ABD, this triangle you take perpendicular upon base is equal tan 30 degree. So it is h upon x equal 1 upon root 3, x is equal h root 3. It is the first equation or first relation. Next, in triangle this one ABCD, it's okay, or BDC, this triangle, angle D is equal to 90 degree and angle CBD is equal to 60 degree. Now perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 60 degree. Now substitute the value. 50 upon x is equal root 3. So x root 3 is equal to 50 and x is equal 50 upon root 3. No need to rationalize here. At the end we will do that. Okay. Next, substitute the value of x in equation 1. Equation 1. Here you substitute the value of this x. So a 50 upon root 3 is equal h root 3. That I have done here. 50 upon root 3 is equal h root 3. Cross multiply. H into 3 is equal to 50. H is equal 50 upon 3. That is 16 whole 2 upon 3 meter. So hence the height of the building is 16 whole 3 upon 2 meter. Okay. It is the last question of this part. In next part again I will explain from question number 10 to next 4 questions. Thank you very much.